Hi, so in today's video I want to talk to you briefly about host codes or hostess codes. On my website here, applelover53.co.uk, on the homepage you'll see on the right hand side it says hostess code February and this 8-digit code. This code changes every month. This is the February code. You can also find this code on my blog. It's here, and it's also on the home page of my Stampin' Up website here, the same code. They're the main three places that you'll find this code, and as I say, it changes every month. So what's a hostess code? Well, basically, it's like collecting reward points when you hand over your little card at the supermarket each month when you shop, or each week, or every time you shop. For anybody that shops with me through my Stampin' Up shop, when you get to the checkout, you put in this monthly code. Now this video is being recorded in February 2019, so this is this month's code. For every customer that orders in the month of February that uses this code, all the points are added together. It doesn't cost you any more to use it, it just accumulates reward points in the month. By the end of this month, February, if I have got £150 or more in retail sales, exclusive of postage and packing, because that's not included, when I close this code off, I can then claim Stampin' rewards. And that basically means the amount of money or rewards that's in that pot I can use to purchase product to then share out between everybody that used this code in this month. Now obviously I'm only a small business and the rewards may only be small, so it may be a share of some ribbon or it may be some dimensionals. I'm not really sure because this, as I say, is a new business to me. But if you are intending to shop with me in my Stampin' Up shop, please use this code. And for everybody that uses it, you have to also make sure that you've put your contact details within the Stampin' Up site. If you choose the box that says no contact, even if you use that code, I can't contact you and I can't give you a share back. So if you're going to shop with me, you enter this code. So I'll show you where to enter it. So this is my Stampin' Up shop. I'm going to click the Shop Now button. I'll just type in Amazing Life to bring up a stamp set that I've used recently. So if you were going to buy this stamp set, you would add it to your basket and then you could carry on shopping, or once you've finished, go to View Basket. You know you're shopping with me because my name is at the top here and all the items that you've chosen will be in your basket. And when you scroll down, you'll see here under this turquoise banner, it says host code. Do you have a host code? Enter it here and click apply. And all as you need to do is copy and paste or type that code into this box and click apply. It doesn't alter anything on your order, you would just then go to checkout. But as I say, what it does, for every customer that uses it, it puts all the code together, and at the end of the month I can see if I've reached £150 or more, and if I have, when I close off that code, I can purchase some Stampin' Up product and I will divide it up between everybody that's used that code in that month and send you out a free little gift. The more people that shop with me and the more people that use the hostess code each month, the bigger the rewards will become. So that's what a hostess code is. As I say, it's on the home page. I will change it every month. You can get to my blog from my website. It's here. It will look the same. I'm trying to keep it also, it looks uniform. And you can go to my shop now, go to my online shop, and it's here. It's in the same colour, but it's not on the same image. So that is a Stampin' Up! Hostess code. One thing I would add, if you're placing an order through me and your order is in excess of £150, don't use my Hostess code, because you will accumulate your own Hostess rewards on that one order. Your £150 plus order has to be in one order. So if you're going to be placing a big order in one go, don't use this code. You will accumulate your own rewards, and as you work your way through the checkout process, it will tell you how you claim your rewards. But if you're placing an order under £150 or multiple orders in a month that are under £150, please use this code. You are helping to earn a free product, and so is everybody else that uses it in that month. So I hope that explains the Hostess code. I'm nearly at the total for February, so if you are thinking about placing an order, please use it, because your order may help us to reach the £150 threshold, and then I will be able to give something back in March. Thank you.